Hey guys, how y'all doing? Like I mentioned, I'm at Costco. Uh, at the beef section, I'm buying some steaks. I got like a good ribeye steak, and got some salmon, some chicken breast, and so I got some real maple syrup. Got some chicken breast right here, like I mentioned. I got some croissants. Oh, I gotta look for some ham now. I got some salmon here. That's what I'm gonna be cooking tonight. And yeah, I got this ribeye for like $65. It's a pretty good deal. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go look for some ham. So yeah, like some cooked ham, so I can make like a good sandwich with the croissant and some lettuce, tomatoes, peas. That'd be a pretty good sandwich. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna be heading home soon, and not home actually. So we go to the kitchen. So I'm making risotto tonight. Risotto with salmon and some grilled asparagus. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. Yes, it's a pretty good show. It's here. They came on a Saturday. It's pretty busy. This is marinated meat, guys. I never buy marinated meat because working in the kitchen, I've noticed that people buy marinated meat, but the thing is, most places, sometimes the meat is not always like good condition. Sometimes if it's a little off, they tend to marinate and sell it. So this way they avoid the waste. But that's exactly why I don't buy marinated meat. Alright guys, I'm just heading pick up my stuff. I'm just heading back soon. Alright, thanks for your time guys. You have a good one. Just heading to the checkout guys. I picked up my turkey. And also, sorry, not the turkey, like the ham. I picked up some nice shrimps and chicken wings as well. Yeah, so I picked up quite a bit of stuff right now. Okay, check out it like that right now. It's not too bad. Okay, see you soon. Just got here, just picked up all my stuff, and here. This is all stuff that I picked up. Got some turkey, ham. I don't know why I keep saying turkey. Ham, some wings, chicken breast, some salmon, like a good pack of ribeye. Gotta clean it, shrimps. I got some croissants for my sandwiches. Yeah, so it's gonna be fun, guys. Gonna be coming up with some nice, good food. Alright, guys. Let's watch the show now. Alright.